Hello Bros and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is your boy Alvendril, and a few days ago I received this package in the mail. So it's EWA and it's a wireless speaker. It comes in three colors. I chose black because just the color I like, and it's supposed to be waterproof, so we're going to test that. So this is the brand and we're going to see the characteristics. So the product name is wireless speaker. The model is 8106 Pro. The range is 20 meters or 66 feet. The weight is 182 grams or 0.4 pounds. The output 3 watts, the dimensions, and the battery is 700 milliamps, and it was made in China, of course. So we're going to see what comes inside. So as you can see, there are a few things that come in the box. So this is the Twitter. If they want you to follow in Twitter, fine. So we can see the manual, pretty straightforward. It comes in different languages. So then we have this kind of ring that you can attach to the case. This is the case. I'm going to show you in a few more seconds. This is the charger, which is USB-C, so I like that. And it's pretty long, I would say, not like the others that's super short. And now we're going to see the case. So this is how it looks. So you can hang it with this kind of holder in the shower or in the pool or anywhere where you want to listen to music. So we're going to open it, and this is how it looks. So this is the base, and you can put it facing the speaker so you can listen to it protected. So now this is how it looks. It's fairly heavy, to be honest. It kind of fits in my hand, but in general it's small. Okay, so this is how it looks. Like I said, this is the base, and it's also a reset button. So this is the charger. This only has one button over here, so turn on and turn off and pair. And I like how it feels. I mean, I like the feeling when you touch it. And it doesn't have a mic, so it's only a speaker. Okay, so you can connect it to everywhere you want, as a cell phone, a tablet, your laptop. But I'm going to use my desktop computer so we can test how it sounds. All right. Now I'm going to press it for a few seconds. You hear the noise, and you can see it's blinking blue now. It's in pairing mode. So I'm going to pair it with my machine, and after a few seconds, you're going to see it solid blue right there. Okay, so now we are going to play a song kind of video and to test it how it sounds. As you can see, to stop it, you press the button once. The volume can be controlled from the end device, not from the speaker itself. So let's continue. And that's how it sounds. So 3 watts might not sound enough, but it's loud in my opinion. So now we are going to test it with one of my videos.
Hello IT Pros, and welcome back to my IT workshop. So in this video we're going to update the BIOS version of a laptop whose battery is dead, you lost it, something happened to it. So for that end I'm going to use a Dell Latitude D630. But this process is the same for any other brand. You have an HP, you have a Lenovo, you have a Toshiba, it doesn't make a difference as long as you have the right software that I'll show you. Now, the background you are seeing right now is my desktop computer. It's not the laptop itself. You can do it on the laptop, of course, but it's easier for me to do it in my desktop, so I can record.
And that's how it sounds. So in my opinion, it's clear enough, it's loud enough for your podcast, music, video, or anything that you may want to listen to. So this is supposed to be waterproof, right? So let's bring some tap water over here, and we're going to grab the guy. As you can see, it's on, and we're going to put it inside or underwater. So as you can see, the light is still on, blue, and we're going to continue.
The screen. So having said that, I advise you to watch this video. I made it some months ago, interrupting the BIOS update process on a computer. It shows you what happens if a BIOS update goes wrong. So it can really render your computer unusable. So I really advise you to watch it if you're curious. It's something really interesting for you to see if you are working with BIOS.
And it's still working. So I like how it was spewing water. I like that a lot. So as you can see, it's waterproof. So let's continue testing.
BIOS update. All right. So the other thing we're going to need, we're going to create in this video really quickly, is a bootable DOS USB.
So that sound was the speaker against the glass. So that's interesting. So let's continue.
Okay. So Microsoft DOS USB. So I have a link in the description below where I explain a little more about it, but in this video we're going to do it really quick. So the other thing we're going to need is this software. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. It's called Rufus.
So it still works, so you can still listen to the music, and I mean, I like it. So now let's continue with the song from a few seconds ago. So that's how it works. I had fun doing this video because this device just works. Most likely you are not going to be doing what I did in this video unless you're in the shower, but even then, most likely it's going to be with a cover and it's going to be somewhere not directly under the water, or maybe you're in the pool or something. So I'm going to turn it off now, like that. You press it for a few seconds and it's off. So it comes with all of this. In my opinion, it's very nice. The price is very affordable. And I'm going to leave the link in the description below as always if you're interested. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, as you know, I'll see you in the next video.